It is time for another taste from home as I butcher my mom's butchering of Rachael Ray's clam chowder. Well, begin by preheating the oven to 450 degrees because the recipe calls for 4 cups of frozen hash browns, but you don't have them, so you're just going to have to make homemade hash browns instead. So chop up a few potatoes until you get about 4 cups worth into a food processor. Then get some olive oil on a cookie sheet, get the potatoes on there, and then add some salt to the cookie sheet as well. Get everything in the oven and then cook it for 25 to 30 minutes, stirring at one point until the potatoes are pretty much crispy and hash brown. And that's also the peanut soup that I made earlier in the background. I did 2 potatoes in one day. Then chop up 2 pieces of celery, and then 1 onion, and then 3 slices of bacon, tiny, otherwise you will choke on the bacon, ask how I know. And then next, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, and then saute the bacon, onion, and celery for a few minutes until the onion is golden brown. Then add a teaspoon of thyme, stir for a minute, then add 2 tablespoons of flour, stir for another minute, then add the potatoes, stir, and then add 1 carton of chicken stock, and then 1 can of evaporated milk, and then 1 can of, well, this is why clam is in quotation marks. It's actually salmon that I'm using right here. I'm making salmon chowder because I didn't have clams at the grocery store when I went. So anyway, add that, and then this is what it looks like after bringing it to a boil and letting it simmer for 15 minutes. But yep, it's delicious, I think.